Hey everybody, in the embedded system designs, in that Arduino we are going to see the Arduino is an important key software. The Arduino plays a major role. So we are going to see the Arduino. It's a open source of electronic platform based on the easy to use and the hardware and the software. We can go for the Arduino. The Arduino board is able to read the inputs and light on a sensors and a finger on a button, or a filter message and turn into the output arrive in the motor, or turning on the LED and other publishing something online will be able to read everything. And you can tell the board what to by sending and set the instruction to the microcontroller on the board. And mainly the Arduino programming language based on the writing and audio, that is a IDE software we can use, and based on the processing we can use. And what is an idea? What is and what can we do for that? Great is a prototype ideas and access the multiple I/O ports, and it let the drive motors, turn on lights and trigger controllers, and the low power requirements, and the flexible, and it is a very open source. These are the main advantage and the main application, main usage of Arduino boards. The setup type and the tools and board and the Arduino IDE based on the software tools it will be you can use. In that we have a file edit and select and the tools is there. That tools we can choose the board. We have a number of types and board. In that we have the laypad and the Arduino board we can choose. Based on the application we can choose anything in the applications. And why we go for analog and digital, in the sense all Arduino signals are either maybe in analog or signal or digital, so automatically it can use, so it can be used for all the process. And all the computer including Arduino only the understanding the digitals, and it can be interrupt to understand the the difference between the analog and the digital signals. Since the analog signals is required, analog is digital conversion is needed, so analog digital conversion, digital to analog conversion, it's easy to implement all those things. So these are the main we go for analog to digital conversion rates. And the digital inputs we have totally we have 13 pins, that's 0 to 13, so totally 14 pins, and zeros and ones are used for the serial communication purpose, and it used for the digital purpose. And the digital inputs need the pin model to recommend the mode of pin number in the input to make sure that the input will be input conditions. And a digital to read the pin number, and it may be digital values like it's high on or high or low. In case high in the sense it will be on, or low in the sense it will be off state. These are the main input parameter of the Arduino board. This is the output always in the digital to output the signal to prevent the and protecting the analog to use code, and analog write the pin number and the values, and where the pin in the one of the analog input, that like 3, 5, 6, 9, 10 and 11 pin are the analog output pins, and where the values number of the range is 0 to 254 range we can use to interconnect, and digital signal we can able to use it. And mainly these are the conditions we are using. If else condition statement we can use, and general use if case condition, and loop like a loop function we can use. For example, we can take button statement maybe high, button state we have maybe high in the sense to the digital write to the LED pin and high, so automatic delay is 300 seconds, so it will be 300 seconds will be delay, and the digital write the LED pin will be low, delay is 300, so automatically the LED light will be glow or and off, so on and off will be take places of every 300 seconds the delay time. Both it will be on the same 300 time, 350 seconds will be glow. If it is off, 300 seconds will be a non condition. These are the main parameters for the best example. And the conclusion, why we use in the Arduino in the sense user friendly, it is user to all the conditions, so it is able to do analog and digital conversion. Analog we can use it for the digital parameter, maybe low or high we can use. The possible user of Arduino it's literally is infinite, so we can use anywhere, so anything anywhere we can use, like Internet of Things, so anywhere we can use in the Arduino board. And therefore the interlink of embedded and hardware, so it's a user interface of both software and hardware. So billions of people in the around we can use in the Arduino board, because it is user friendly and it's easily we can able to interconnect the hardware. So user friendly one, so it's the billions of people we can use it worldwide. And the points in the imaginated device in the available on their market. So the device were too expensive, was too expensive, and it could be helping some aspects of their lives. So it's the main conclusion of the Arduino board assessment. Thank you.